The Mediterranean diet, revered as much for its historical significance as its health benefits, stands as an epitome of nutritional wisdom. Originating from a region known for its rich cultural and culinary heritage, this diet emphasizes more than just food, it epitomizes a way of life. The origins of the Mediterranean diet. Picture this: a golden sun setting over cerulean waves, with families gathered around massive feasts, laughing and sharing stories. This isn't just a scene from an old movie, it's the birthplace of the famed Mediterranean diet. Why it's more than just a diet, a lifestyle choice. So, it's not about counting those darn calories or feeling guilty about that extra bite. It's about savoring the flavor, enjoying the company, and just, well, living a bit more. Historical context. Ancient dietary practices in the Mediterranean region. Way before diet fads were even a thing, the folks around the Mediterranean were onto something. Their mantra? Fresh, local, and downright delicious. No processed stuff, just nature's finest on a plate. How geography and culture shaped food choices. The land was a smorgasbord of rolling hills, sparkling seas, and fruitful plains. Add in a sprinkle of diverse cultures, and voila! A culinary masterpiece was born. Core components of the Mediterranean diet. Olive oil, the liquid gold. Olive oil isn't just for Popeye's girlfriend. This silky, golden potion doesn't just make food taste amazing, it's packed with good-for-you stuff. Grains and legumes, essential sources of energy. Think of grains and legumes as the backup dancers that steal the show. They're there, adding depth, texture, and that oomph to every meal. Fresh fruits and vegetables, the heart of every meal. Imagine a plate without the vibrant colors of veggies and fruits. Pretty bland, huh? That's why they're the stars of this diet show. Protein, fish, poultry, and limited red meat. With its bounty, the Mediterranean Sea was basically the ancient grocery store for protein. But hey, they didn't completely forget about the land. There's poultry and a dash of red meat too. Dairy, the role of cheese and yogurt. Cheese lovers, rejoice! From the crumbly feta to the smooth yogurt, dairy in this diet is all about complementing flavors. Nuts and seeds, small but nutrient-packed. Tiny but mighty, nuts and seeds are like the surprise plot twists in a movie, unexpected but totally essential. Health benefits. Why go Mediterranean? Cardiovascular health, a heart-healthy approach. Your heart will practically sing with joy with all the good stuff you're feeding it. Weight management and metabolic benefits. Less of the crash diets, more of the wholesome eating. Your metabolism will thank you. Cognitive advantages, protecting the brain. Brain fog? The Mediterranean diet might just be the windshield wiper you need. Gut health, the role of fiber and fermented foods. A happy belly makes a happy you, and with all that fiber and fermented goodness, it's like a party down there. Longevity, could this diet increase your lifespan? Who wouldn't want a few more years to enjoy gelato by the sea? Comparing diets, Mediterranean versus others. How it stands against the keto diet. While keto's busy shunning carbs, Mediterranean's over here balancing it out like a pro. Differences from vegan and vegetarian diets. While they share some plant-based love, Mediterranean isn't all in on the no-meat agenda. The paleo diet and ancient Mediterranean eating. Think of them as distant cousins. They share some DNA but have their own tales to tell. Incorporating the Mediterranean diet into daily life. Making the switch. First steps to embrace the diet. Ready for the change? Dive in. But remember, it's not about perfection, it's about the journey. Grocery shopping. Essential ingredients to stock up on. Get those olives, grab that fresh fish, and don't forget the wine. Adapting Mediterranean meals to various cuisines. The beauty of this diet? It's like a chameleon, blending seamlessly with other culinary traditions. Recipes and meal ideas. Breakfast. Starting the day the Mediterranean way. Who needs cereal when Greek yogurt is topped with honey and nuts? Lunch inspirations. Midday Mediterranean delights. Swap that sandwich for a hearty grain bowl with a side of hummus. Dinners. Rich flavors to end the day. How about some grilled fish with a side of roasted veggies? Yes, please. Snacks and sides. Healthful options for between meals. Snack attack? Try some roasted chickpeas or a handful of almonds. Desserts. Sweet, but not too sweet. Life's short, have that piece of baklava. Challenges and misconceptions. Common myths debunked. No, eating Mediterranean doesn't mean pizza every night, although, wouldn't that be dreamy? Barriers to adopting the Mediterranean diet. Sometimes, it's not about availability but about making mindful choices. Sustainability and environmental impact. The eco-friendly nature of the diet. Planet Earth gives this diet 2 green thumbs up. Supporting local producers and reducing carbon footprint. It's not just about eating right, it's about doing right, too. Embracing a diet rooted in tradition and health. The Mediterranean diet is like that old family story, timeless, full of wisdom, and always good for the soul. Looking ahead, the future of Mediterranean eating. The horizon looks promising, with more people looking to embrace a diet and a way of life.